Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be building another Monster Jam monster truck. This time Monster Jam's newest truck, Bailey Circuit, which was brand new and just unveiled over the summer here. And this is what it looks like here. So let's get right into the build. French Fried Trains is a channel for adult railfans and Minecrafters, and is not intended for children under 13 years of age. This is a fan channel for fun. We are not affiliated in any way with Microsoft or Mojang. This is not an official Minecraft product. And as a friendly reminder, I do not take requests at all. Thank you and enjoy the video. So we're going to start off by placing down a temporary block, and coming off that we need to do a line of 8 dark oak trapdoors on this level, 8 blocks long. Then we can remove the temporary block, and on top of the end we're going to put 3 polished deep slate slabs in a column, and then a slab on the side here and one here. Repeat that at the back end. So 3 slabs here, and then 1 sticking out here and here. Then coming off right here, we're going to put 2 lightning rods here, 2 on this side. In the middle, 2 netherite blocks. Then we're going to put 2 blast furnaces, and going towards the back end of the truck, a smoker, and then a hopper like this. Then down here, 2 black stone brick blocks here and here for the tires, 2 down here, 2 here. Then go and we're going to put a sideways magenta shulker box on all 4 of these like this. Then take black stone brick stairs upside down, put 2 here, 2 here. Same thing for the back wheels. And then we're going to round it off on the other side. So 2 upside down stairs going this way on all 4 of the wheels. Then we'll go back to black stone brick block. We'll put 2 here, 2 here. Same thing for all of the other wheels, leaving the middle open so you see that shulker box as the wheel hub. Then we'll go to right side up, black stone brick stairs, 2 here, 2 here. And again, do that on all 4. And finally turn around and go this way on all 4 to round off the wheels. And then we'll put 2 black stone brick blocks in between all the stairs on top of all 4 wheels here. Then we'll take dark oak trapdoor on this level, put 3 here like this. Then we're going to come up here and crouch, and we're going to put a vertical lightning rod here and here. And we're going to repeat the same thing on the front end. So 3 trapdoors here, and then a vertical lightning rod goes here and right here, just like that. Then we're going to put a vertical lever on each side of these netherite blocks. Now take out nether brick vents, come up here on top of this slab, and do a line coming across here for the frame, and bring it to this back slab here. And repeat the same thing on this side, so a line of fences across here as well. Then we're going to come on the side underneath this rear end and put a single stone brick wall here for an exhaust. And then same thing on this side here. And now the underframe's done, and we'll come up on top of the front end. Down here on the center, we need a temporary block in front of this, then a string on top, then a magenta carpet, and take out that temporary block. Then take light blue concrete and put 3 in the middle right here. Then we're going to put a forward-facing prismarine brick stair on each side of the front, then an upside-down backward-facing stair on each side, then an upside-down forward-facing stair on each side. Then up here, we're going to put 3 tinted glass across here, a prismarine brick slab, dark oak trapdoor. Then 2 light blue carpet on either side of this. So it looks like that. Then we're going to come back here, and we're going to put a little mini interior. So take out a dark oak benchscape, put it in the center here. Then we'll have to come up here and crouch, and behind that, put a dark oak stair going forward for the seat, right here. Then we're going to come down here, coming off these stairs on each side. And we're going to put 3 yellow concrete coming back on each side. Then 1 on each top back corner here. Then a pale oak button here. And 1 on this side. Behind this, on the bottom block, put an upside down backward facing prismarine brick stair and a right side up bamboo stair like this. Then coming off the bottom layer, put a single prismarine brick top slab on either side here and here, just like that. Then on top of these lightning rods, do 3 across of magenta concrete and an upside down stair of prismarine brick going forward on each side. On the back middle, a single bamboo sign. Then come up here and crouch, and we're going to put 2 anvils here for the top of the engine with 2 iron trap doors. Then there's a tail. On the back middle, we're going to put a bamboo fence and then a player head at an angle. Then we're going to add 3 magenta carpet here and 3 on this side, like that. Up here, put a black stained glass pane here and here. Then a temporary block here and here, and put an upside down forward facing bamboo stair on each side. Take out the temporary blocks. Then 3 crimson slabs here, 1 in the middle, and 3 across here. Up here, 3 magenta carpet. Then we're going to go back here and take out a warp sign, put it right here, and we're going to type Ringling. Hit that with yellow dye and a glowing sack. Do the same thing on this side, so a sign with Ringling. Hit it with yellow dye and a glowing sack. Then right here, we're going to put 2 crimson signs here. And of course, repeat that on the opposite side, so 2 crimson signs right here as well. And there we have it, folks. We've completed the newest Monster Jam monster truck, Bailey Circuit. I hope everyone enjoyed this little build. It's been a while since we've done a monster truck, so I figured it was time to do one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.